Hi guys, today IJK from Tech Guys is going to review Micromax Unite 2 A106. This phone comes with 4.7-inch screen, a earpiece, notification bar, sensor and 2 megapixel fixed focus camera. In the back you get the matte finish, Micromax branding, 5 megapixel autofocus camera and a LED flash. In the left side nothing. In the right side power key and the volume rocker. In the up you get the 3.5mm jack, audio jack and the charging port, and in the bottom you get the microphone, and in the back you get the speaker. You also get the 3 capactive buttons which do light up. Now let's see inside the phone. You get 4.7-inch screen of 420p HD screen, which is low in the pixelation. The pixelation is very good, but the colors are not natural. The colors are warm, and you can see the yellowish color in the screen. Here is the notification bar and Wi-Fi, and here is the menu bar. You get many pre-installed apps from Micromax which will not be good for you, so helpful. And you get 8GB storage, from which you get 4.7GB for the usage, and other storage is occupied by the pre-installed apps. Let's see the body structure. The back cover covers the phone up to 80% of the phone, and you can see the display is very good, which is looking pixelated very much. In the closer picture you can see the pixelation compared to Moto E. The phone comes with 2000 mAh battery, which is pretty good for this mobile. When this phone was launched, its price was up to 8,000, but now the price is lowered by the demand of this mobile, because many of the mobiles have came in its price range. So this mobile is now selling in the market up to 6,000. I have used this mobile from 2 to 3 weeks, and I say about this mobile that you can buy, you should go for it, but the pixelation and the display is not bad, which is not the thing that to be worried for. But in the Moto E you can go for Moto E because of its display, but the display and the pixelation is not the thing of to worry. One pre-installed app comes with, that is Wi-Fi Direct, and you can see a cast screen, which is also very good. The phone comes with 4.4.2 Android version, which is good and which is pretty nice in this price segment. The phone do not comes with Corning Gorilla Glass, but in Moto E you get the Corning Gorilla Glass. But I have seen some drop test and scratch test of this mobile of Moto E, not of this mobile. No one can say that it has got Corning Gorilla Glass 3 or any Dragon Trail or anything. But the phone is pretty good in the terms of its price segment. You get many pre-installed apps in this mobile, which will not be nice, but many people have uploaded some videos in which you can remove that pre-installed apps. FM radio is also supported. Download and let's check some camera department in this phone. Let me find out the camera. Oh, let's click some photos. Let's check. You can see the pixelation of the screen is very good, and the colors reproduction is very good in this phone. I don't know you are seeing the photo, but I can say that the pixelation and the color reproduction of this phone and its camera is very good. I would like to say you that you should go for this phone because of this price segment and the quality. You can see the three Capetic buttons do light up, and here you get the notification light, which is pretty good. Front camera of this phone. Let's click. Sorry, I can't check the front camera for some reason, but the front camera is also fixed focus. I have checked this phone for 2 to 3 weeks, and this comes in every part. This phone is not to be worried for the price segment. The price segment is very good, and now it is selling on only 6,000 in the market. Guys, I would like to tell you that please go for this phone if you are buying some featured phone. If you are trying to buy some featured phone, then you should go for this phone too. So guys, thank you. Let's check our comment on our video and make it as helpful, and please subscribe our channel Tech Guys. Thank you. Bye.